So if you have any question, I would love to answer.
जब वो छोटे थे, जब तक चाहे तुम्हारी उम्र के थे, सब कुछ करते थे।
Right.
फिर क्या होता है एकदम से? क्यों उनसे पूछ भी नहीं सकते? क्योंकि वो उनके आंसर्स क्वेश्चन होते हैं, वो बोलते हैं इसके पीछे लॉजिक दो, हर चीज के पीछे। तो ठीक है, जो रामायण वाले तुमने जो ये लॉजिक बताया वो हम उनको समझा सकते हैं, लेकिन कई चीजें ऐसी पूछी जो कालों काल से अनादिकाल से चली आ रही है। हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें बोलते रहे, हम लोगों में इतनी हिम्मत नहीं होती थी कि हम अपने पेरेंट्स को पूछते थे, बोलते थे बोला ना ऐसे चलता रहा, ऐसे ही करना है। अब हम वापस आंसर बैक में नहीं करते थे ना उनसे पूछे। आजकल के बच्चे तो सब कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, स्पेशली यहाँ तो बहुत ज्यादा क्यूरियोसिटी होती है, और जब आप उनको नहीं सेटिस्फाई करते बोलते छोड़ो ये कुछ नहीं होता। तो मतलब वही ना, उनको कैसे आध्यात्म की तरफ मोड़े। ऐसा नहीं है कि घर में पूजा पाठ नहीं करते, घर में सब कुछ करवाते हैं, लेकिन ठीक है वो फॉर द सेक ऑफ बीइंग देयर दे विल बी देयर, बट आई डोंट थिंक कि वो उनमें वो उनकी वो कनेक्टिविटी है। इट्स नॉट कि वो भगवान को नहीं मानते हैं, मींस मानते इन द सेंस इन अ वे दे मानते भी हैं, नहीं मानते हो तो समझ नहीं आता। मतलब कि और सारी मैं यहाँ मिसाल सिक्स सॉरी फॉर आई थिंक हमारे ज्यादातर बच्चे ऐसे हैं, बहुत कम बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो शुरू में मानते हैं।
जो देश में रहते हैं वैसा ही भेज करना चाहिए। कैसे आप इंडिया वाले हैं।
एक क्वेश्चन माँ बाप से, आपके माता पिता से, आपने क्या खाया था? क्या खाया? नहीं इन्होंने क्या खाया फिर खिलाया तो बाद में जब इन्होंने
एक्चुअली खाने से भी नहीं है ये चीज़ ना, रियली गॉड गिफ्ट मानती हूँ मैं। इससे भी छोटी थी तब से भगवान में बहुत ज़्यादा बिलीव करती हूँ। मेरी लाइफ में जो भी हुआ मतलब
You also believe a lot.
और बच्चों को रेस भी किया वैसे। ऐसी बात नहीं है। क्यों बच्चे विमुख हो जाते हैं, ये नहीं समझ
आने के बाद वो कहीं और ही चले जाते।
To answer your question, I think कहीं ना कहीं I feel like कहीं ना कहीं वो बच्चे भी गलत नहीं है if they have questions. I mean I am quite curious और I have questions about everything. तो I mean it's just कि आप जितना ज़्यादा पढ़ेंगे, जितना और समझेंगे, जैसे आज मैंने आपको कई सारी चीज़ें बताई, ये सब चीज़ें आपको पता ही होंगी कि हमें गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए, ईगो नहीं होना चाहिए, रिसोर्सेज यूज करने चाहिए. There's nothing new I said over here. It's just that I said with some new examples. I explained with some really nice analogies. So I think आप बच्चों को, जैसे कभी बच्चे खाते नहीं है ना, तो आप बच्चों को बोलते रहे एरोप्लेन, जब बच्चे छोटे हो रहे हैं एरोप्लेन ऐसे होता है ना, तो खाना यहाँ से खिलाओ, खाना तो खिलाना है। तो अगर वो बात आपकी ऐसे सिंपली नहीं समझ रहे कि बेटा गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए, रामायण में लिखा है, तब अच्छे से समझाइए। आप जैसे मैंने ये ग्लास वाला करके बताया, नई चीज नहीं थी ये कोई कि हमें रिसोर्सेज यूज करने चाहिए, पर जब हमने खीर बनाई विजुअलाइज करके, so it was not new, it was everything we know that we should not be egoistic or something like that.
नहीं तो आप भी ये बोलती हो कि भगवान का नाम जरूरी है, जरूरी नहीं है कि हमका फिजिकली रूप में उनका कहीं पे कुछ भी करना हो ऐसे, क्योंकि बच्चों को मेन प्रॉब्लम तब आती है जैसे होता है ना, हम लोग का वहाँ बचपन से इंडिया से चला आता है कि हम व्रत वगैरह किया करते हैं, तो बच्चों को बोलो इस्लाम में है, उनके बच्चों को देखो आप छोटे छोटे बच्चे रोजे करते हैं क्योंकि उनको वहाँ सिखाया जाता है, वो जाते हैं। जब हमारे बच्चों को बोलो व्रत क्यों करना है, कि क्या होता है उससे, अच्छा कितना उनको समझाओ, अरे बेटा इंद्रियों को वश में रखने
का this in that way ना कि आज के टाइम में everyone is quite मतलब health conscious, so you can आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो अरे व्रत रखोगे तो अच्छा है, एक दिन के लिए your body will detoxify।
नहीं तो फिर आंसर ऐसे मेरी बेटी वो भी दिया ना, बोलते हैं ऐसे, वो बोलती है वीगन, कहती है मैं तो जब सब कुछ छोड़ा हुआ है मैं इतनी चीजें नहीं खाती, अपना इतना सेल्फ कंट्रोल वैसे ही है वीगनिज्म पर, तो कहती फिर आप क्या मतलब किस तरह की बात करती है कि इससे क्या होता है, कहती ऐसा कुछ नहीं, हम मतलब एक पावर है, शायद वो मानते हैं उस चीज को, कुछ तो है जो चला रही है, बट उस वही हमको ये भी बोला कि जैसे हवा है, खुशबू है, दिखाई नहीं देती ना, खुशबू होती तो है, ऐसे भगवान भी है, मतलब पावर कुछ है जो दिखाई नहीं देती, बट वो जैसे होता है कि अंदर से उनको भगवान के प्रति कुछ हो या कुछ सोचते, वो चीज को नहीं सोचते।
So I think what I'm seeing over here, that see there is a difference between being spiritual and being religious. Your kids are quite spiritual, but they are not religious.
Yes.
Being spiritual, it means having you know that there is God and everything. But being religious, it means kind of like doing all the fast, doing everything to kind of like waking up at 4 a.m. and chanting. I think I see over here, my mama, she is very religious person. But my father, he is quite spiritual person. He thinks कि कर्म ही हमारी भक्ति है. And there is nothing wrong in it.
तो वही बोलते हैं बच्चे नहीं बच्चे के रिलीजियस के इस पर नहीं स्पिरिचुअल पे ही बोल रही हूँ वो ठीक है शायद हम बोलते थे एक पॉइंट पे मानते हैं हाँ कि ठीक है आप बोलते हो भगवान होते हैं ऐसे कहता कुछ नहीं होता ये सब साइंस है तो सब कुछ वो साइंटिफिक रिलेटेड मानते हैं बोलते सब साइंस से होता है हम कहते हैं सब कैसे पैदा हुए कहीं तो कुछ कहते कुछ नहीं कहीं
And
ना
lots
कहीं
of
जो
scientists have also agreed on that there is one power. You know that atomic bomb जिन्होंने बनाया था क्या नाम था उनका ओपेनहाइमर उन्होंने भी इंस्पिरेशन भगवत गीता से ली. So you can give these
वो
examples.
सब दिया उनको पर भगवत गीता समझना इतना आसान नहीं है भगवत गीता सुनते ही नहीं वो पढ़ना का कोई जैसे मैं अपना बेटी का एग्जांपल देती हूँ पढ़ने का कोशिश किया उसने तो बोलती को समझ में नहीं आता कि क्या है ये कुछ मीन्स हम लोग को चाहिए कि अच्छे समझाने वाले हो जैसे जिस लेवल पे तुमने अपना समझाया ना ऐसे हमें चाहिए कि ऐसे और लोग हों और सोसाइटी में इतने लोग हो कहीं पर भी जहाँ पर भी इस तरह के ग्रुपिज्म हो या जहाँ हमारी कम्युनिटी हो हम अपने बच्चों को बुला के उनकी जिज्ञासाओं को शांत कर सके मेन चीज वो आती है तुम यहीं रह जाओ
यही रह जाओ हाँ वेरी गुड define that and how can we actually make that connection work better for us.
Okay, so how can we make the connection more better?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe see how you can make connection from people. Maybe from speaking nicely. If you speak to a person nicely, you would have a really nice connection with that person.
Love all, serve all, hate none.
Yeah. Love all, serve all, and hate none. This should be mantra of our life.
Yeah.
And from this, I mean, we can make better connections. So yeah.
Connection with the God we are talking about, isn't it?
Okay, it's connection with the God.
How can you make it?
Okay, so during the event only, we were talking about faithfulness. I mean, someone said about faith, being faithful. And the way you can make connection from God is two ways. Firstly, being faithful. Trusting Bhagwan Ji, trusting God is pretty important. You know, we trust people, but sometimes we forgot to trust God. And if you know that, you know that that God is working for me, He's trying His best to make my life better. Having that belief in our own self would make things more better, firstly. And secondly, if you want to make connection with God, I mean, we know that in our Sanatan Dharma, there is one saying that भगवान जी सभी के अंदर है. भगवान जी आपके अंदर भी है, आप में भी है, in everyone. There is a God present in them. So we should, if you want to make a better connection with God, try to be nice, try to be polite, try to be humble, and try to speak nicely, and this is how you can make connection.
How did it
Okay, so kind of like public speaking started when I was 5 years old. My father, he runs school in Surat, Gujarat only. So मैं मम्मा पापा की स्कूल में ही पढ़ी हूँ तो उस टाइम हमारे प्री स्कूल में देयर इज वन सिस्टम कि एक स्टेज स्मार्ट करके इवेंट होता है जब आपके क्लासमेट्स व्हेन यू आर इन जस्ट जूनियर केजी प्ले इवन इन प्ले ग्रुप नर्सरी तो यू आर देयर इज वन वेरी स्मॉल स्टेज और आपके क्लासमेट्स सामने बैठे हैं यू हैव टू टेक माइक एंड यू हैव टू स्पीक एनीथिंग so from at that point of time my stage fright kind of like just went away because of that and from the age of 9, I started working on mobile addiction. As we all know how fastly it's kind of like, we all are way too much addicted to our mobile phone. And when I was 9 years old, in 2019, we know about that
PUBG.
Blue Whale game, PUBG. Because of Blue Whale game, like kids were kind of like taking their life. Just cutting and all of that. So I got this opportunity to work on mobile addiction. हमारे सूरत में बहुत सारी स्कूल्स हैं वहाँ पे जाके एक अवेयरनेस फैलाई कि मोबाइल देखना इज नॉट रॉन्ग. आज मैंने जैसे अपने पॉइंट्स बनाए पीपीटी बनाई काइंड ऑफ लाइक यूज्ड माय फोन ओनली एंड मोबाइल इज नॉट रॉन्ग बट इट्स जस्ट हाउ यू यूज इट. If we kind of like use this wisely, it could change your life and everything. So from the age of 9, I started working on mobile addiction, and then lockdown 2020 lockdown came. Then Mama, Papa, as I said, my parents are, especially my mama, she is very spiritually inclined person, more specifically religious person, very pious lady. So she always had that dream for me to kind of like do katha and all of that. So firstly I made 108 Ramayan Ki Murti on YouTube, and if you'll see those videos at that point of time, the way I used to speak, my expressions, everything was quite not, my voice was also very low at that point of time. But yeah, it all happened with practice. Then katha, and then over here I am.
Very good.
Very
But it's because of my parents, they only taught me. Yeah.
You had an interest in reading as well, that is
Yeah.
reading the scriptures.
Yeah, I had interest in reading because of my father. See, I mean, you learn everything from your parents by observing them. Sometimes, I always say this to parents, that don't worry if your kid is not listening to you, worry that he or she is always watching you. If your kid is not listening, it's not a very big deal, but they are always observing how their parents are behaving. You know, you are saying your kids be nice, and the other second you are just like fighting with your neighbors. It's not right. So I mean, you have to live by that example also. So my father, my papa, he is a person who loves to read book, like way too much. He is into books very much, like self-help book. So because by watching him, I also got interested. And रामायण जैसे मैंने ऐसे पहले नहीं पढ़ी. पापा used to kind of like take things कि तू ये पढ़, तू पूरी पूरी चीजें मत पढ़. तो मैं पहले वो जो टिक करी हुई चीजें हैं, वो जो highlighted, underlined चीजें, I used to read that, and after that I read the whole thing.
What you had, your father had ticked that you started reading that, and what did you think in your mind about that as a result of it, please?
So my father, he used to take for, as I
Give us
told you
an
about that,
example, please.
for 108 Ramayan Ki Murti at that point of time to make that video. See, I was also like your daughter only. I don't like to read scriptures because see, first that book is quite heavy, and when you look at that book, you're like, oh my goodness. And secondly, those hard words. If you're reading in Hindi, your Hindi should be like spasht Hindi, you know, very. So I was also like my mama. She used to give me books. I was like, I won't read it. I can't do this, mama. So, but then during lockdown, Papa ticked that thing, and Papa was like, you can read this out, and we would make video out of it. So I just used to read those things which were ticked. Then I used to kind of like just memorize those things, and then I would stand in front of video, and Papa would make video of mine. So this is how I kind of like came into spiritualism, into like this whole spirituality. And the thing, as you asked me, with what was that incident in Ramayana which kind of like struck with me, which kind of like helped me to read more and more. So I just thought how, firstly, Ramji, he is God, and how difficult his life was. But he never focused on his problems. He always focused on how I can solve this.
Solution. Yes, solution.
And this is something which we all lag behind. We always feel like we all have problems. But our problems could be different. Even Mr. Mukesh Ambani, he also have problems. Everyone have problems. Even like if God could have this much of problems, so we are just human. You know? So, but this really struck with me that Bhagwanji always focused on solution. Like for example, if I'll ask you, if I have to go from maybe from Surat to Jodhpur to Rajasthan,
Quickest way, I think.
yeah. But if kind of like it's quite rainy and all the flights are cancelled, what would you do then?
Start walking. Take a map and walk.
By road?
By road, well, all the drivers are on strike. They are like, I won't take you.
Walking?
Walking. Okay. So as I gave you a problem that we have to go from Surat to Jodhpur. You know, there were quite hurdles in between, but you were like, okay, we can go through flight. Maybe from train, maybe from rickshaw, from kind of like from vehicle by road or by walking. So if we give our mind a problem, our mind will give solution. We're like, oh, flight will not work, so we'll go by road. road will not work, so we'll go by walking. So yeah, this is something which stuck with me, that how Ramji had problems, way too much problems, but he kind of like always focused on solution. And yeah, if you focus on solution, if you're a good person, good things would impact you. So yeah.
So what's your take on when Ramji left Sita?
When, like after Ramayana and
Yeah,
Uttarkhand.
वो ही ना उनको तो means के so
I
how
mean,
did
a lot of people also believe that this didn't happen. A lot of people believe this happened. Well, I think Ramji was quite dutiful man.
that's what
You know, for him, always duty would come first before his family. You know, his Rajya, his kingdom. He always wanted his citizens to be happy. And as a king, definitely, it should be there. Like as prime ministers, their first duty should be their citizens and then their family. And that's what Ramji did. He always focused on how I can make my citizens more happy, how they could live their life more peacefully. And if a citizen have any problem, I would try to resolve it. And that's who Ramji was. Beautiful man.
But the family people is citizen as well. So isn't his duty to look after them as well?
Yeah, it's right. But see, उन्होंने माता सीता को मतलब कोई एकदम वैसी जगह तो भेजा नहीं. मतलब माता सीता एक माता सीता बहुत अच्छे आश्रम में भी गई. I mean, see, being very honest, I really don't know much about this, and I haven't read much about this. So I think it would be wrong of me to answer this question. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
So yeah.
But I would like to know this answer, find this answer, because these kind of questions my children ask me.
Okay.
So then you can't answer like this.
Right.
Like I give the same answer, kingdom first, the nation first, and things. They say, how can you say like this? Your family doesn't matter anyway, like this, you know, because वो wife जो 14 साल आपके साथ वहाँ रही, उसको छोड़ दिया, अग्नि परीक्षा.
उन्हें प्रजा पे ध्यान देना था ना. फैमिली अगर साथ में होती तो प्रजा पे ध्यान नहीं दे पाते.
Can I enlighten the people?
Yeah.
You see, he left Sita to rear up the children in the midst of saints because they were in a forest and there were a lot of Rakshasas there. So he did not want that influence to fall upon his children. And he was of the mind that my children should grow up to be, you know, tall, upright, honest, hardworking, whatever. The best principles you can give
छोड़ने की तो
them.
जरूरत नहीं थी.
नहीं तो हमारे वहाँ क्या होते थे? We wanted these children to be better.
तो बच्चे हो जाते तो बच्चों को भेजते ना गुरुकुल में.
So what are you focusing now? What are you focusing now on? What is
माँ बाप के कल्याण.
awareness of the, what is the main focus of your life now? Raise awareness or
There is no straight answer.
जब आप पूरा अपना जो राज्य होता है जब उसको संभालते हो, ठीक है, तो उस जगह पे फैमिली इतनी मैटर नहीं करती. आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पहली आपके राज्य के प्रति है, आपके लोगों के प्रति है, तो वहाँ पे फैमिली मैटर नहीं करती है. उसको बोलते हैं सही डिसीजन कैसे लेना है, सैक्रिफाइस जिसको बोलते हैं. तो उन्होंने अपना जो प्रेम कहे या जो कुछ भी कहे उसका उन्होंने सैक्रिफाइस दिया है. और ये एक हमारे लिए एक आंसर भी है कि भाई लाइफ में अगर ऐसी ऐसी सिचुएशंस आती है तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए.
और वो धरती पे आए इसीलिए थे. हम सबको
वो एक
एग्जाम्पल
डिफरेंट
देते हैं.
वो एक डिफरेंट टॉपिक है, लेकिन हमारा धर्म ही है कि हमको जीवन कैसे जीना है. हिंदू इज लाइक हमको लाइफ कैसे जीनी है सबको हमारा धर्म ही सिखाता है. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि जब आप पूरी दुनिया को या अपने पूरा राज्य को रूल करते हो, आप किंग हो, तो आपकी पहली प्रायोरिटी प्रजा होती है. क्योंकि आप कितने लोगों के मुंह बंद करने जाओगे, हम बोलते हैं ना कि कितने लोगों के मुंह बंद करेंगे, ठीक है. तो ये कई बार आपको ऐसे डिसीजंस लेने पड़ते हैं कि जो आप नहीं लेना चाहते हैं, फिर भी आपको वो डिसीजंस लेने पड़ते हैं.
It might, मतलब ऐसे डिसीजंस जो आपके क्लोज लोगों को हर्ट करें, बहुत कम लोगों को हर्ट करेंगे पर ज्यादा लोगों को खुश कर सकते हैं.
Future, which way are you trying to encourage the young people, in what way?
Okay, I'm really thinking of mobile addiction because this is something, it's a very big problem. And lots of, like in UK also, UK government is quite right because UK ki government ne, they have implemented a lots of rules for children, but when we see in India, there is no rule in it. Like in Australia also, you might know that under age of 16 years,
They can't
you cannot use social media. You know, you cannot make your account also. So I mean, I am really looking forward to work on mobile addiction because,
Very good.
and it's not a problem with just students. It is a problem with all age groups.
All age.
But the thing is that when you are 60 plus, at that point of time, if you're using mobile phone, there's nothing wrong in it. But when you're just 15, 16, 20, at that point of time, you should
Yeah, I
focus
think so.
on making your career rather than
Session.
kind of, and from mobile also you can make your career, but just watching mindlessly scrolling reels which are not benefiting you, which are not benefiting your life, which are not adding value to your life, that's not right.
Yeah, great. I think that's good.
That's
I hope
very
you
good,
succeed.
very good.
Thank you so much. I mean, speaking here for 1.5 hours, it's not a big deal. But listening to someone, even that someone is, 16-year-old, it's a very big deal. And sitting in a place and listening, so I'm really, really thankful for you. And thank you so much that you all had pretty nice questions. And I tried my best to give the answers of those questions. And thank you so very much to Nikita Didi also. I mean, she was not able to make it over here, but she
Yes.
only kind of like
Right.
organized this event for us.
Yes.
So I mean, we'll send this video to Nikita Didi,
Yeah.
to Sadak Dharm,
Pranav sir.
also, because they only kind of like connected us, connected me to you, connected us with this event, with this temple. So thank you so very much, Nikita Didi also, and you were kind of like the best historians.
Yeah. Are you going to be here? That would be really good.
I mean, like today we are leaving for Wales.
Okay.
Okay, and then on 28th of January I have event at Oxford University. Then on 30th